Welcome back. Hello friends, today we are review here is big earning website zclicks.com. Get paid for viewing ads, completing surveys, and much more. There is low minimum cash out, just $0.1. Zclicks is where advertisers meet their audience. View ads, complete offers, and get rewarded. zclicks.com is the first website to pay low minimum payout, just $0.10. Get started, and first you will register here and give your details to fill this form and get registered here to start earn money. Follow the simple step to get registered here and complete tasks and offers and get paid. Making money has never been easier. Register with the survey websites of your choice. Provide accurate information when creating your profile, as it helps match you with surveys that are relevant to your demographics and interests. Complete any profile surveys or questionnaires, as they can increase your chances of receiving more survey invitations. Check for available surveys. Once you've signed up, log into your account regularly to check for available surveys. Survey availability can vary, so it's important to be proactive in seeking out new opportunities. First, you agree with the terms of service. Look for reputable survey websites that have a track record of paying users and providing a good selection of surveys. Read reviews and check user experiences to ensure the platforms are trustworthy. Email verification is mandatory. Go to your email and click the verification link to verify your account. In addition to surveys, some websites offer additional ways to earn money, such as by participating in focus groups, product testing, or referring friends to the platform. Keep an eye out for these opportunities, as they can provide additional earning. Just log in the Zclicks website with your username and password. After some testing and estimates, and in order to provide the best value for money, surveys may cover a range of topics such as consumer preferences, product feedback, market trends, or opinion. Take your time to provide thoughtful and accurate responses. Most survey websites offer rewards in the form of cash, gift cards, or other incentives. The rewards can vary depending on the length and complexity of the survey. Some websites have a point system where you accumulate points for completing surveys. Click and paid. You will click this advertisement and get cash in your account. This is all advertisement. You just click any advertisement, which is 7 seconds to wait and get reward. This simple task and earn money from zclicks.com. Making money from survey tasks can be a straightforward way to earn some extra income. Many companies and market research firms are willing to pay for your opinions and feedback. Some websites or platforms pay users to click on ads, view videos, or engage with content. While the earnings for these tasks are typically minimal, they can be done during your free time. However, exercise caution when engaging with such platforms. Play Z-Grid is your luck. You have 25 chance to use your luck. Here is the one box you will get more money. When engaging in simple tasks to make money, it's important to consider the time and effort required compared to the potential earnings. While these methods can provide some additional income, they may not be suitable for generating significant. Earning money by taking surveys is a popular method for making some extra income online. Many companies and market research firms are interested in gathering consumer opinions and feedback, and they are willing to pay survey takers for their time. When taking surveys, be honest in your answers and provide thoughtful feedback. Survey questions may cover a variety of topics, including consumer preferences, product usage, advertising, and more. Giving genuine responses increases your chances. Get paid to complete offers. Here is the clicks wall view ads and earn money online. You will take maximum earning from zclicks.com. NCE, you find a survey you qualify for, complete it promptly. Surveys may have a limited number of slots available, so it's important to act quickly. Some surveys also have time limits for completion. Besides traditional surveys, some websites offer other survey types that can be more engaging and rewarding. These may include focus groups, diary studies, product testing, or online communities. These additional opportunities can increase your earnings. To maximize your earnings, keep track of the surveys you complete, the rewards you've earned, and any pending payouts. Being organized helps you stay on top of your survey activities and ensures you receive the rewards you've earned. Earning money from surveys requires patience and consistency. While some surveys may offer higher payouts, most individual surveys provide a modest income. Once you accumulate enough earnings or reach the minimum threshold, you can cash out or redeem your rewards. Different survey websites have different payout methods, such as PayPal, Payoneer, Perfect Money, direct bank transfers.